We did a front mount intercooler system on Aquila. This is our stainless steel boost pipes. It's all manual bended, so there's no welding involved in it, so they're very strong. They've got really good flow. The main benefits for running a front mount intercooler is that you won't be getting heat soak. So that's where the engine heats up the top mount intercooler. So now the intercooler sits in the front. One, when you're going faster, a lot of more air goes through it, so you get about 3 to 4 times the amount of airflow. Also, when you're doing slower and say sand driving and stuff, the viscous fan keeps pulling air through the intercooler, so you can cool it down. The main benefits is that we can keep the EGTs nice and low. That helps a lot with engine reliability and longevity. And also you can start getting a better power output, so we can do a bit more tuning on it, or you can just get a little bit more like better fuel consumption as well.
So we've got the front mount in here. It just forces cold air, a lot more cold air in here, and yeah, it's just better. JP from Ceres will give you the whole rundown. He'll explain to you why the front mount is better. But yeah, got that on, got the piping going here. It's now replaced, so we just had to move my winch forward. So that was a bit of an ordeal to try and fit it in the front with the winch in here. So it was a bit of an ordeal to get that fitted, but front mount intercooler is also in, so that's another upgrade to the Hilux.